Hi there, my name's Oliver, and I'm here to guide you on your path to bronze. At OLIV Global, we like to keep things simple for newcomers. There's only 3 steps, so let's get started. Before we take the first step, let's see where you fit in. While our customers enjoy the products, you're here as a member, and only members are eligible to use all 8 ways to earn. In fact, your membership has already unlocked these 4 ways right here. We'll talk about the level bonus as well as the product intro bonus in just a moment, but we'll save the deep dive into all 8 ways to earn for another video. For now, let's talk about how you qualify. All you need to qualify for commissions is 80 PV each month. PV is short for personal volume, and 80 points is what you get when you or your customers order just one of our incredible products, like Nira, Shape, or Essential. You heard right, a single bottle is all you need to start earning. We'll be using that 80 PV baseline for every example in this video to show you what's possible at the very foundational level. From there, just imagine the possibilities when people naturally add more products to their order. This is where you start. So dream big and let's get climbing. Step 1. Becoming a star. Once you're qualified with at least 80 PV, all you have to do is enroll 2 people. We'll place one on the left and another on the right. When they qualify with at least 80 PV, you're officially a star. With the level bonus, you earn a percentage of your team's volume. Level 1 earns you a portion of sales from your front line. And to really jumpstart things, the product intro bonus adds an instant $30 to each of their very first orders. In other words, if your enrollment tree looks like this, you just earned $66.40. Now let's keep that momentum going with step 2, becoming a star maker. Let's help your new team members experience the same excitement you just did by helping them both become stars. They each need to enroll 2 qualified members with at least 80 PV. And now that you've got 2 new stars in your front line, you've not only earned the rank of Star Maker, you've unlocked the second tier of the level bonus, which adds even more earnings to your total. Okay, we're already at step 3. It's time to go bronze. Alright, first we need to enroll another qualified member on your front line. You can expand your front line as wide as you like in either direction. In this example, we'll place your new member on the right, which immediately adds another product intro bonus and a level 1 bonus to your total. Now we just need to help your new team member become a star. When they've successfully enrolled 2 qualified members, your winning structure is complete. With 3 stars on your front line, you're officially bronze. And there's still more earnings to talk about. Those 2 team members in the bottom right earned you a level 2 bonus. Plus, reaching bronze unlocked level 3 for your future growth, along with access to the powerful Infinity Team bonus for even greater rewards. Your success at OLIV Global depends on your team's success. By helping them reach bronze and beyond, you're doing so much more than hitting ranks. You're laying a solid foundation for real growth and all of the rewards that come with it. So don't forget this plan. Enroll 2 qualified members to become a star. Turn those 2 members into stars to become a star maker. Enroll 1 more frontline star and go bronze. It's really that simple. Remember, all of the numbers we've shown you in this video are based on the minimum 80 PV. It can only go up from here. Think of these examples as the foundation you'll build all of your dreams on. For more information about our products, compensation plan, and bonuses, visit us at olivglobal.com.